Welcome to Fun Facts Extravaganza. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts. Koalas have fingerprints almost identical to humans. Even under a microscope, it's hard to tell them apart. Talk about nature's mystery. Did you know a group of cats is called a clowder? Next time you see a bunch of cats together, you'll know the fancy term for it. Humans share about 50% of their DNA with bananas. We're not as different from our fruity friends as we might think. Venus is the only planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise. All the other planets spin counterclockwise. A day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Imagine having a workday that long. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these fun facts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts.